Good night, Peppa. Once upon a time, Granny and Grandpa Pig came around for dinner. It was almost time for Peppa and George to go to bed. Yawn, yawned Daddy Pig very loudly while they were eating. Everyone giggled. Hoo hoo hoo, sorry, snorted Daddy Pig. I'm a little tired. Peppa and George weren't tired at all. Can we jump in a puddle for just a tiny bit? Asked Peppa. Please. Okay, said Daddy Pig. But you must come in about time. Peppa and George loved jumping in the muddy puddles. They jumped up and down until they were covered in mud. Peppa, George, or Daddy Pig, you must be feeling sleepy after that jumping. Let's get you in the bath. But Daddy, we are not even a little bit sleepy, replied Peppa. Peppa and George splashed in the bath until they were both nice and clean. I think bath time is over, said Daddy Pig, dripping wet. You must be tired after all that splashing. We're not even a little bit tired, cried Peppa. Splashing Daddy Pig again, snort, snort, laughed George. Daddy Pig was soaked. Peppa and George hopped out of the bath. They dry off and put their pajama on very slowly. Then they brushed their teeth for an extra long time. Brush, brush, brush. Quick, wash your face. Granny Pig wants to tuck you into bed, said Mommy Pig. Yippee, cheers Peppa. Granny, cheers George. Peppa and George were finally ready for bed. They said good night to Mommy and Daddy Pig and found Granny Pig in their room. Come on, little ones, said Granny Pig. It's bedtime, hop in. I can't go to bed without Teddy, said Peppa. So, sobbed George. So Granny Pig found Teddy and Mr. Dinah and tucked everyone in. Good night, Peppa and Teddy, said Granny Pig. Good night, George and Mr. Dinosaur. But we are not even the tiniest bit sleepy, Granny, said Peppa. I see, said Granny Pig. I wonder what will make you sleepy. Can you tell us a bedtime story? Asked Peppa Pig. Of course, Peppa, replied Granny Pig. As long as you promise to go to sleep as soon as the story ends. We promise, cried Peppa. Peppa and George love bedtime story. Granny began telling a story. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess called Peppa. Interrupted Peppa. Yes, said Granny Pig. And Sir George, the brave knight. Peppa interrupted again. He, giggled George. Granny Pig carried on. Princess Peppa and Sir George live in a castle. A great big castle in the sky, said Peppa. Granny Pig tried to finish the story. Princess Peppa and Sir George has been playing all day in the castle and were very tired. Then the king arrived, cheered Peppa, and a cook, and a wizard, and a scary dragon dinosaur. Dinosaur, added George. Grrr. And The cook made them all a giant picnic with sandwiches, cakes, jelly. Peppa listed all the food she could think of. Grandpa Pig came to find Granny Pig. "I'm telling Peppa and George a bedtime story," explained Granny Pig. "And we promise to go to sleep when the story ends," added Peppa. "I see," said Grandpa Pig. Granny Pig, why don't you leave this to me? I'm good at ending story." So Granny Pig said good night and went downstairs. Grandpa Pig did his best to end the story. After they eat the lovely picnic, everyone fell asleep. The end. But Peppa did not want the story to end. Then they all woke up and their friends arrived. She cried, and they went for a ride in Princess Peppa carriage and decided to have a great big party. Soon Daddy Pig came upstairs. "I'm the expert at telling bedtime stories," he said. Then he whispered quietly to Grandpa Pig, "I'll have them asleep in no time." So Grandpa Pig said good night and went downstairs. Princess Peppa and Sir George were just about to have a great big party. Peppa told Daddy Pig. "I see," he replied. Toad, toad, toad. Mommy Pig heard banging, so she came upstairs too. Peppa, George, and Daddy Pig went dancing. "We're having a party like in the story," explained Peppa. "They're almost asleep," said Daddy Pig. "Thank you, Daddy," said Mommy Pig. "I'll take over now." So Daddy Pig said good night and went downstairs. Mommy Pig tucked Peppa and George back into bed. Then she asked Peppa to tell her the whole bedtime story from the beginning, very quietly. Yawn. "Once upon a time," whispered Peppa, yawning, "there was a beautiful princess called Peppa. She lived with Sir George, the brave knight, in a great big castle in the sky." Speaking softly was making Peppa really sleepy. Peppa tried to finish the story, but she just could not keep her eyes open. Soon George fell fast asleep, and so did Peppa. Mommy Pig looked at her two little ones, smiled and whispered, "Good night, George. Good night, Peppa." Then she headed downstairs to find Granny, Grandpa, and Daddy Pig. They were all fast asleep. It was bedtime for Peppa and George, and it was bedtime for everyone else. "Good night," said Mommy Pig. Good night, kids. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.